Hello guys, this is CA Vishal Jain, your faculty for ACCFR and SBR paper. Guys, today I'm here not to teach you something but to guide you something. Please understand that all of us in our preparation journey uses some or the other free resources and they prove out to be really helpful for our preparation. Understand that not all the free resources are helpful, but there are few resources which are definitely helpful in our journey. So I am here to guide you what are the free resources which you should never miss out, which you should never miss out, okay, by any chance. Okay, now what are those resources? So let me guide to you. So point number one is examiner report. Let me talk about it a little bit. Guys, you know who writes this examiner report? So examiner report is written by a examining team body, right? The person who evaluates your notebook is trying to talk to you and convey that these are the mistakes made by the students in the past exams. Please don't repeat these mistakes in your exam. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to refer to the examiner report of the paper you are studying for. Okay, and the examiner team will be highlighting that mistakes. Make a note of all the mistakes, make a summary of all the mistakes, and ensure that you are not repeating on those mistakes. Let me show it to you for a sample. See, like for example, this is the examiner report for ACCA financial reporting paper. Let me open the first one. If you go down, just see here. Where did the candidates go wrong? Examining team is trying to highlight what are the mistakes made by the students in the past. And not only this, it also highlights few important questions. And you know one important point, sometimes these questions repeat as it is in the exams. They repeat in the exam as it is. So I believe you should never miss out on the examiner report. If you have lack of time, you should at least read last 3 attempts examiner report. But if you have sufficient time, see how many examiner reports are available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And reading these will hardly take 1 hour per examiner report. 6 hours in 3 months. That is very much doable, I believe, and you should definitely do it. The next free resource that is available to us is technical article. Now, what is there in technical article? If you know, I always focus in my classes. See, let's suppose you are studying a chapter called as leases. When you read the standard IFRS 16, IFRS 16 will just have what does the standard say. When you are reading the study text, it will just say what does the standard say. But when you read the technical article will highlight why does it say like that. So technical article explains the rationale, technical article explains the logic behind the standard, and you must refer to the technical article for the exams which you are referring to. Okay, at a professional level, these technical article also becomes as current issue. Okay, the application of the standard in a real life given scenario. So you should definitely refer to that. The third free resource that is available to you is blank workspace. Now understand, it is very sad to see that students are practicing questions in pen and paper. Tell me guys, are you required to appear your exams in a piece of paper? No, right? You have to appear your exams in the system. So if you have to appear the exam in system, why not practice also in system? Right? So if you have a question, okay, which your faculty would have given to you, or from wherever you have got the question in your exam kit might be, don't solve in Excel file, don't solve in Word file, don't solve in pen and paper. Rather, solve it in ACCA practice platform, the blank workspace, because this is the exact replica of the system, the screen, the exact replica of the screen which you will see while you are appearing the exact exam, while you are appearing the real exam. It's the exact replica. So make use of it. Ensure that you are solving, you are practicing questions only and only in blank workspace. Okay, for FR you can solve section C here. Section A and section B are objective type questions. For that you don't need blank workspace. For section C of FR you need blank workspace. Okay, now for similarly for all the questions of professional level, you will need blank workspace. Okay, basically what I'm trying to say, for all constructed response questions, you have to use blank workspace. Okay, the fourth point is practice platform. Now, in this practice platform, it gives you past papers, practice papers, specimen papers, and I believe you must definitely, without any fail, you should solve all the questions given in ACCA practice platform. See, if you want to solve kit questions, solve kit questions. If you want to solve study hub questions, solve study hub questions. I am not asking you to leave that, but what I'm trying to say is, do not make the mistake of leaving even a single question which is there in ACCA practice platform. It will cost you your marks. Do not leave even a single question which is there on ACCA practice platform. Read the question in ACCA practice platform, solve the question in ACCA practice platform, and solve it in exam timed environment. But solve it. Please solve it. Mark my words, it will help you a lot. The fifth one and the last one is close to my heart. So now what is there in the fifth free resources? So I will say the fifth one is mine created for you guys, FR and SBR revision videos. Guys, I have put across the revision video of the entire syllabus of FR, the entire syllabus of SBR in just one single video. FR in 8 hours and SBR in 15 hours. And in every single attempt, students messages me on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram, where not, right? And they say that, sir, your revision videos have been very helpful. So it's you can say that it is something which I am giving to my students community. So make use of it. I'll just show it to you. So how will you reach my revision videos? So what you have to do is, you have to come to my channel ACCA with Vishal Jain. Come to the playlist section. Okay, scroll down. You will see a playlist created for SBR revisions. You will see a playlist created for FR revisions. Just open the playlist. See, this is the entire revision of FR. And students has given me the love back by giving me this enormous views, right? It gives me really sense of happiness and achievement that you have given me this much love, and I really want to thank you from the core of my heart, guys. But yes, do make use of these videos, and I believe it will really help you a lot in your preparation. Okay, so this is something which I wanted to highlight to you guys, and I believe it will really help you. Thank you. Bye bye.